Hi guys, this is Chano el Mexicano. How are you doing today? Well, guys, this is class number 1. We are going to start with this class trying to learn question words, because I think that we as people that doesn't know anything about another language need question words to ask for information from other people to help us in checking something, in getting an address, whatever the information we need. And there are some question words that are very common everywhere and very useful. Well, guys, my complete name is Epifanio Felix Zamora, and my nickname is Chano. My YouTube channel is Chano el Mexicano, and today we are going to study these question words. These question words are very helpful in our lives. So let's check this question. So you need information about something and you use all these question words. And you say, what? What? Okay? What is a question to ask for maybe objects? What is that? Maybe for your name. For example, let's check this. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? And a possible answer is my name is Epifanio. Epifanio. Okay? What is your name? My name is Epifanio. My name is Epifanio, right? So what's your name? You on the other side. What's your name? You have to say, my name is, and here, whatever your name is. I don't know, for example, maybe Tom, or maybe Ted, or maybe Yuriko, or maybe Juan, or whatever your name is. So, what's your name? And you said, my name is, and the name you have, right? Another example could be, what is that? What is that over there? What is that over there? It is an airplane. Okay. What is that over there? It is an airplane. Okay, flying an airplane. What is that over there? It is an airplane. There are, of course, more examples that you can ask for information with this question word, and we are going to see that kind of question during the course. But for now, I think 2 examples are good. Little by little, you are going to learn that way, little by little. So, how? How is a question to ask, for example, for feelings, as how are you? And the possible answer is excellent, very good, not bad, right? Let's check the question. How are you? How are you? How are you? Okay? How are you? And the possible answer is excellent. This is the best answer you can use. If you are a positive person, you say excellent. Even if you don't feel well right now, and you say excellent, it's going to be very good, because you are not good today, but tomorrow you are going to feel better. So if you are positive, you are going to say excellent, I feel okay. Okay? Another possible answer is very well. Very well. Okay? This is the best, this is good, and another answer could be not bad. Not bad. What is this? It should be an A. Not bad. That's better. Not bad. You say not bad maybe when you have, for example, your mom is sick. Your mom is sick, so you don't feel excellent. So you said, not bad, my mom is sick, right? I don't feel very well. I don't feel excellent. My mom is sick. All right? How are you? You are asking for a feeling, how the other person feels. Now, something important. This is the question. And this are answer. answer or answers. It could be answer, plural, all those three. Okay, answers. Question and possible answers. Okay, another example. How are you? And how are you doing? It's exactly the same. These two are the same. Same. You can say, hey, how are you? How are you? Or you can say, how are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? And the answers could be exactly the same than in how are you. Okay, excellent, very well, or not bad. Same, excellent, very well, very well, and not bad. Because these two questions are exactly the same. When you are going to use this one and this one? Well, this one is informal. Informal for friends, for family. So when you arrive and the guys that are there are your friends or is part of your family, relatives, you say, hi, how are you doing, guys? Right? But if you don't know the person, maybe it's someone new for you, a neighbor, you say, hi, how are you? Right? But if they are your friends, hi, how are you doing? This is formal. It's a formal way to ask. Okay, let's go to the next. Shut up, Sandy. It's our dog. Sorry, guys. Well, now we have the question word who. We are going to use who for asking information about people. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? And a possible answer is I am Chano. Your name or your nickname. It depends if you are answering formally or informal. Who are you? I am Chano. So that's the answer because I am Chano. Who are you? And you say, I am and the name or nickname you have, right? I'm Chano. You can say, I'm Tony. I'm Lois. Or you can say, I'm Hal. Or you can say, I'm Michael. Malcolm in the middle. All right. Who are you? I am Chano. Or you said, I am whatever the name or the nickname you have. Right? Another question could be, who is that girl over there? Who is that girl over there? Who is that girl over there? Maybe it's a lady that you like it, and you see the lady and ask your friend, hey, who is that girl over there? A possible answer could be, she is Miss Universe. Oh, that's why she is so beautiful. Yeah. So she is, I don't know, someone else. She is Shayla. Okay. She is Luisa. She is Yuriko. I don't know. Someone. Let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. Hey guys, this class is too long, so the next video of the part 2 of this class is uploaded on the web, on YouTube, so go there and we're going to continue in the part 2 of this class. Guys, see you.